Hi there! In this video, we are going to be looking at statements. Statements are one of the four functions of sentences. A statement is a sentence that simply gives a fact or an idea on a single topic. These are some examples of statements. My favourite food is pizza. The boy walks to school. The best sport is football. These sentences give a single fact or idea without asking a question or giving a command. Statements must end in punctuation, usually a full stop, but never a question mark. We are doing art today at school. The purpose of this statement is to inform the reader that the speaker will be having an art lesson today at school. Statements are the most common type of sentence as they communicate ideas. Take a look at these two sentences. Can Sam eat the cake? This is a question because the sentence requires an answer and it includes a questioning word, can, and ends with a question mark. Sam can eat the cake. This is a statement as it is informing the reader that Sam can eat the cake and does not require an answer, nor does it show any emotion as an exclamation may do. Statements most commonly end in a full stop. Now let's have a look at a question. Which sentence is a statement? Tick 1. Will we be going to the park? We will be going to the park. Go to the park. Is everyone going to the park? The punctuation has been left out of all of the sentences, so we have to use other clues to work out the answers. We know that statements do not need a response, and the first and last sentences do, as they are questions. Therefore, they cannot be statements. The third sentence is an instruction, as it tells the reader what to do. Therefore, it is a command. This means that the correct answer is sentence 2, as it only gives the reader a piece of information and does not require an action or response. Hoo-yah! Let's have a look at this question. Again, it is asking which sentences are statements. Tick the boxes next to the options that are statements. What lovely sunny weather. Will the weather be sunny? The weather will be sunny. I don't know if it will be sunny. Pause the video and press play when you have an answer. How did you find that question? A top tip for solving this question is to eliminate all the options that cannot be correct. First, look for sentences that are asking a question and eliminate them. Sentence 2 contains a question word, will, and requires a response, meaning that it is a question, not a statement. Now we look for the sentences with some emotion. Sentence 1 is just commenting an opinion on the weather and requires an exclamation mark. It is an exclamation, not a statement. Sentences 3 and 4 both have one idea and only require a full stop, meaning that they are both statements and should be ticked. Well done if you got those two correct. Hoo-yah! Let's have a look at one more question. Write a statement based on the sentence below, only using the words already in the sentence. Remember to punctuate your answer correctly. Is the supermarket open today? You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may just wish to say your answer out loud. Pause your video now and hit play when you are ready. Do you have an answer? Great! In order to create a statement based on this question, we need to rearrange the words to make the sentence communicate one idea and not require a response. Is at the beginning makes the sentence a question and it should be moved. Your answer should be, the supermarket is open today. Remember, there should only be a full stop at the end of a statement, and the first word of the new sentence, the, should be capitalised or the sentence isn't punctuated correctly. Well done if you got that right. Amazing work. Hoo-yah! I hope this video has helped you to understand all about statements and how to identify them. If you are looking for more SPaG help, we have lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.